So, oh yeah, I have to. You're recording, right? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay. So my name is Diego Leyes. I'm the Spanish Program Outreach Manager of North Metro SBDC. And I'm also a business consultant here in the Alliance Business Assistance Center. So I would like to ask you guys, does anybody here have a Google My Business profile created? You can put it on the chat if you want.
I do, yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can see the answers. Yes, we do. Hannah says yes. Hi, Hannah. Cecilia, yes, yes. Okay, awesome. All right, so let's talk about what's Google My Business in general, okay? So it's simple, a tool that allows you to manage and optimize your business profile in Google, okay? Maybe you think, okay, but what's a business profile? So a business profile is the Google business listing, but maybe you think, okay, but what's a business listing? So a business listing is just basic information about your company, about your business that is online, okay? That basic information, that essential information is what is called NAP, or name, address, phone, and now is included website, okay? So basically the Google business listing is the Google My Business. It's what is called Google My Business, okay? Very simple. Okay, this is how your local results look like on Google search. If you put, for example, I just made an example here. If you put like business center here in Thornton, you will see the Alliance Business Center in the local results. And this part down here are the organic results, okay? Okay, so how can Google My Business actually help you as a business? So Google My Business help you get your business to stand out on Google Search and Google Maps, okay? You can use picture, you can use contact information and more to showcase your business when people search online, okay? You'll be able to easily manage your business profile online and on the mobile app, even when you have multiple locations. I just make this mobile app in bold because I'm gonna tell you something about the mobile app. I'm gonna tell you something that is going to change about the mobile app, okay? Also, you can use Google My Business features to connect with your customers by responding to their reviews and messages, okay? This is how the Google My Business looks like in Google Maps. The same example. Okay, so before continuing, I would like to tell you an announcement that Google just made like 3 or 2 weeks ago, which is that Google My Business is going away. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Google My Business is going away. So they just announced it, and they basically says that moving forward, we recommend a small business manage their profile directly on search or maps directly, okay? To keep things simple, Google My Business is being renamed Google Business Profile. So that's gonna be the new name, okay? And in 2022, we'll retire the Google My Business app, okay? So the idea here is Google is trying to make businesses to manage their profiles directly on Google Search or in Google Maps. Okay. They also said that the existing Google My Business web experience will transition to primarily support larger businesses with multiple locations and will be renamed Business Profile Manager. Okay, so that the app that is on web is only be used for larger companies with a lot of location, with many locations, and it's gonna be called Business Profile Manager. Okay. Okay, so what is not gonna change is the eligibility, who is eligible and who are not eligible. So basically, Google says that you can create a business profile on Google if your business either has a physical location that customer can visit or travels to customers where they are. So you have to have a physical location where people go to your location to buy your products or to buy your service, okay? Or you can maybe be a service company where you travel where your customers are, okay? So eligible businesses. To qualify for a business profile on Google, a business must make in-person contact with customers during its stated hours. There are some exceptions. For example, ATMs, video rental kiosks, and express mail drop boxes are permitted. So those are okay to have a business profile. Also seasonal businesses like an ice skating rink that only open on winters, those are eligible. And also virtual kitchens are permitted, okay? I know that some people, or maybe you know somebody who has an online store or online business who don't have a location, and they have a profiling business. They have a Google business profile. So how's that possible? So sometimes, yeah, it's possible because Google doesn't know about it. But if they do, they might block your account, suspend your account because you are violating one of the rules. Okay, so be careful with that. Okay, ineligible businesses. So this business, for example, rental or for sale properties such as vacation homes, model homes, or vacant apartments are not eligible, okay? For example, sales or leasing offices, however, are eligible for verification, okay? Those are okay to have a business profile. An ongoing service, class, or meeting at a location that you don't own or have the authority to represent are not eligible. For example, let's say that you often come to the Alliance Business Center and you have meeting here, you meet with your customers here. This is not your location, so you cannot claim your business in this location, okay? And the lead generation agents or companies are not eligible either, okay? Okay, so let's talk about how to claim your Google business profile especially for those who haven't claimed their businesses. Basically, there are two ways to claim your Google Business profile. Just sign up or log into the current Google My Business. As you enter the information of your business, the system will suggest possible matches, okay? Select your business and confirm that you are authorized to manage it, okay? And the other way is just locate your business profile in Maps or search and click claim their business, your business, okay? Okay, this is the new interface and how now you can claim your business. You can see the new panel right here, and you can claim it right here. And this is the mobile version. Okay. Okay, so how to verify your Google Business profile? We have to verify our Google Business profile in order to have full access to the features of our profile, okay? So in general, it is by requesting a postcard. There are several ways to verify your profile, but in general, in most cases, is by requesting a postcard, okay? You can currently sign into Google My Business, choose the business you like to verify, then click Verify Now. And on the postcard request screen, make sure that your address is displayed accurately, okay? And then you click Send Postcard. It's important to mention that this postcard takes between 5 days and 15 days to arrive. Sometimes it takes up to a month, so don't worry about it. And another thing that is important is while you are waiting for this postcard to arrive to your location, don't make any change on your profile. Otherwise, it can delay the process, okay? So we don't want that. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so let's say that you already got your postcard. So once you receive the postcard, sign into Google My Business or look for your profile on search or maps as well. Choose the location you want to verify. Click the enter code button in the blue banner at the top of the page. Enter the 5-digit verification code from your postcard in the code field, and then click submit. So once verified, you will see this icon next to the business location, okay? Okay, let's talk about optimization. So the idea here is the more optimized your profile is, the more your business will stand out in the internet, okay? This could help increase your search rankings. So that's what we want, right? Okay, let's get started with the specific points. One of the first things that you have to optimize is your categories. You can choose up to 10 categories. Only the primary category will be public. As you can see, you can set it up right here, and that one is gonna be public on your profile when somebody search for your company. Okay, and also Google will show us different options in our profile depending on the category we choose. For example, if we are a restaurant and we choose as a category restaurant, we will also see an option to choose our menu, for example. Another example could be if we are in a hotel, we choose as a category hotel, and then we will will see an option to make possible reservations, for example, okay? The idea here is try to choose the category that best represent your business, okay? Okay, hours. You can put your regular hours, that's not a problem. And also more hours. However, this more hours option, you will see this option depending on the category that you chose before, okay? For example, if you are a restaurant, you will see this more hours option where you can put your happy hours, your delivering hours, etc. Okay. Special hours. This is for every business, and you can use these hours for special days like holidays, special events. Let's say that you don't want to or you cannot work on a specific day, you can put that that day is going to be closed. Okay. Phone numbers. Use a local phone number, the same phone number in all listing. That is because Google will try to match your phone number that is on your profile with your phone number of your business that is on other listings like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, I don't know, others listing websites, okay? Short name or short URL, okay? This is just a short name that will help make it easier for your customers who are searching for you to find you, okay? So basically, if you don't optimize this, if you don't choose a short name, your link or your URL will be just like g.page / something by default. But if you optimize it and you put your short name, your link will be g.page your name, your short name. Okay. The idea here is just to make it easier for your customer to remember you. Okay. All right. So website. This is where you want to add your website link. So, for example, let's make an example here. So, let's say that you have more than one location. Add the specific location page from your website to this URL space instead of sending everyone to your homepage. So that means that, let's say that you have a location in Denver and you have also another location in Boulder, okay? In your website, you should have a specific page for your Denver location and also a specific page for your Boulder location, okay? So that link for the Boulder location, you have to put that link on the profile of the Boulder location. Same for the Denver location. Go to your Denver link on your website, and you have to put it on the profile of your Denver location, okay? A lot of businesses make this mistake because they just put the general link, the link that goes to the homepage, but that is not the correct way to do this, okay? Okay, so regarding the appointment URL, It allows you to offer an URL to your users where they can schedule an appointment with you on the internet, okay? This is not for every business. This is just for business like, I don't know, like dentists or eye doctors, or business that require an appointment to meet the client, okay? Okay, let's talk about products. The products, what I can tell you is, if you have this option available, because it's not for every business, we recommend using it even if you don't sell online, okay? Even if you don't sell online, try to put some products. Actually, I can tell you that you can put your bestseller products in order for people to see what those products are, okay? And this is how your products will look like when somebody searches for your business. They will see your information right here and the products right here, okay? Okay, services. Here you can put different services that you offer with a small description and a price if you want, okay? It's optional. It's important to say that Google will make some suggestions based on your business, but you will also be able to add your own services, okay? When you are setting up your service, Google will suggest some services related to your company, but you can create your own as well, okay? Okay, attributes. Depending on the category of the business, we can add different attributes just to let people know about what your business can offer, okay? For example, if you are offering Wi-Fi, you can put Wi-Fi as an attribute. If, for example, woman-led, LGBTQ friendly, online classes, if you require mask, wheelchair accessibility, etc., okay? The idea here is to be honest based on what you offer. Don't be these kind of businesses like they say, for example, that they offer or they have wheelchair accessibility, but in reality, they don't, okay? So try to be as closer as possible to your reality. Okay, business description. Use this space to share a bit about your business. When did you open? Whom do you serve? What sets your business apart from all the others? The idea here is to have fun here and encourage people to find out more about you, okay? Don't be too technical, just use normal human language, okay? Opening day. You can add the day you open your business. That's really good. If you have not opened, indicate the opening date before verifying your profile, okay? You can enter the date up to a year in advance. That's good. And your profile will show up on Google 90 days prior to the opening date, okay? For example, let's say that you are going to open your location in 1 year. You can create your profile right now. You can verify it right now. You can indicate when you are going to open. But 90 days before the opening day, your profiles will be shown on Google, okay? Okay, photos. There are several photos that you can post. One of them is logo, your company logo. It should be a square in dimension, high resolution. The format has to be JPG or PNG. Size minimum 10 kilobytes, maximum 5 megabytes. And the resolution is recommended to be at 720 pixel by 720 pixel. Okay. Okay, cover photo, same thing. JPG as a format or PNG, minimum 10 kilobytes, maximum 5 megabytes, and a resolution between 1020 pixels and 608 pixels. So there's no guarantee that Google will show this cover photo as the first on your profile, but sometimes it's possible, okay? So don't worry if it's not the first one, because a lot of people, a lot of business owners think that the cover photo is gonna be the first one, but sometimes it's not gonna be the first one. Okay, business photos. You can add exterior photos, interior photos, photos at work, product photos, common area photos, team photos, food and drink photos, if apply, of course. So the idea is try to facilitate, try to make it easy for your customer when they are going to your location, okay? For example, how does the exterior of your building look like? Okay, so it's good to have an exterior photo, for example. Is your business hard to find? If it is, you should have something like a photo from outside, just to make people know how can they access to your location, okay? Photos added by customers will be found in the tab by customer. You can see that in your profile directly, okay? Okay, let's talk about video. You know, video, Google likes it when you use their features, okay? And the more interaction your profile receives, the more credit Google will give your business listing, okay? So try to use video. The duration is up to 30 seconds. It's not a long video, it's a short video. File size up to 75 megabytes and resolution 720 pixel or more, okay? All right, so let's talk about what tools we can use on the Google Business Profile to engage with our customers, okay? Posts, okay? Posts can include text, photos, and video to promote your business profile. There are several kind of posts. You can add a product, you can add an event, you can add an update, offer, and right now you can add updates about COVID-19, okay? You can have up to 10 posts at once, okay? Up to 100 characters of text, 4:3 radio images, and you can also add a call to action button like book, order online, buy, learn more, sign up, and get offer, okay? I always recommend using post. That's gonna be useful to engage with your customer, with your potential customer. So try to use this feature. Okay, let's talk about the most famous one, what everybody wants, but nobody asks for it. So the famous reviews. So We know how important reviews are because they allow us to know how our customer experience was. It's also a feedback on how we are doing it. So, but more important than that is to ask for a review. But you know what? Even more important than ask for a review is to answer those reviews. Okay? Even if it's negative or if it's a positive review. To answer negative reviews, we must do it publicly, but at the same time, try to solve the problem in private. So we need to show that we care about the problem, that we care about the customer. So we have to show them when we answer that review, okay? But also we have to offer an option to solve the problem in private. Just by saying like, please contact me directly at this phone number, at this email address. That's it. That's more than enough, okay? For positive reviews, positive reviews will improve the visibility and reputation of your business and increase the likelihood that a potential customer will visit your location. Basically, a positive review it will increase your reputation and it will drive people to your location. So that's great. Okay, messages. This option by default is disabled, but you can enable it. And messaging will allow customers to communicate with you directly through your profile as if it were a chat, okay, a common chat. Google recommends a response time of 24 hours. However, I would recommend to answer as quickly as possible, okay? The sooner, the better. Try to dedicate a couple minutes, maybe 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon, just to answer those messages, okay? Okay, insights. The metrics you find under your insights tab on your profile are both somewhat helpful and somewhat limited. Why limited? Because, for example, you can only go back so far as 90 days. So that could be not useful in some cases. And I would like you guys to book an appointment with me if you want to know more about this tab, this Insight tab, because it's a deep topic. So, for example, if you have your business profile, and you want to know more about the insights, I invite you to book an appointment with me, okay? And we can discuss that. Okay, let's talk about what's new in the new version of Google My Business and what has changed, okay? So basically, what Google wants is that you can claim, verify, and manage your Google business profile directly in Google Search and Google Maps. That's it. To be honest, in my opinion, I don't know if that is going to be easier because, in my opinion, I like to have a specific app to manage those things. But now we won't have it. We just have to go to Google Search and Google Maps to manage your profile. So let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, so this is the new interface. So when we have, or when you guys have the Gmail session logged in that you guys use to manage your Google business profile, You can search the name of your business in search, okay? And your knowledge panel will appear as well as your edit panel. This is the edit panel, and this is the knowledge panel, okay? In both, you can edit the information. This right here, and this is, you can edit it right here, okay? Same if you look for the word my business, your panel will appear, okay, will show up right here and right here. This option, if you do that in Google Maps, it's not gonna work. This option is gonna work only on Google search. When I say this option is the option by typing my business, okay? Okay, something new is the call history. So you will be able to see who called your business, okay? As you see right here. This feature is currently an experimental feature, and that's why it's only available for some business in the US and Canada, okay? Okay, messaging. Messaging can be done directly from Google search. So I will show you guys a short video just for you guys to see how that works. Okay, we look for our business. We click on customers. We click on messages. And there you go. You will see your messages. Okay, let's watch it again. You look for your business, customers, messages. All right. Okay, another feature, new feature is that now you will be able to see when a customer read your message, as you can see right here. That's great. Okay. Okay, so I just put a couple questions, a common question. And one of those ones is, what if someone has already claimed my business? I always say, don't worry. If someone in your location, in your organization has already claimed the business, it's possible to add more users to that account. So don't worry about it. If you don't recognize that account or the account that verified the profile, you will have to request ownership and follow the direction to claim your business. Okay, that's simple. You just have to follow the steps. Another question, I have several business locations. Do I have to enter them one by one? And yes and no. If you have fewer than 10 locations, yeah, you will have to enter them individually, okay? If your business have 10 or more locations, you can verify them and manage them in bulk, okay? And I think you can do this on the new Google Business Manager, okay? All right, so as a last thing that I would like to tell you is that, yeah, Google My Business or the new Google Business Profile is such great tool. It can help you to drive customers to your location, to increase your sales, etc. same as other tools like Facebook, Instagram. You know, all those tools are great, but you are not the owners of those tools, okay? You don't own those tools. What you can only own is your website and your contact list. So I always motivate people, motivate owners to have their own digital assets. Okay, so if you don't have, for example, a contact list, start today and try to build your contact list, because that list is going to be your own asset. Okay, these tools like Google My Business, if something happened, they can suspend your account and that's it. You lose it. Okay. All right. So if you have a question, I think this is the time. So let's see on the chat if we have some questions. What keeps other people making changes to my business information? I think you are referring to the option that people can click on that option and say and recommend a change. That is what you mean? I think, yeah, Tonya.
Yeah, I think I must have missed something because then you talked about users. You could have more than one user and you might have to go back in and request ownership and stuff. So I think that's answers my question.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Awesome. Any other question, guys? Okay, so I would like to ask for a favor. So I will post, just let me copy this link. I'm putting a link in the chat box. It's about a form that we would like you guys to fill out, just to see who attend and how did you hear about this workshop. So I would appreciate if you fill that form, please. I just put it on the chat box. So it's gonna take you like a minute just to fill out. Do you have a question, Janet?
No, to make sure everybody checks their names maybe on the chat so we know so we have a record.
Yeah, well, I send them a link. Yeah. All right, so Abril Fuentes. I'm gonna show you the last, where is it? Yeah, right here. So if you scan this code right here, oh. This code right here, you can make an in-person appointment with me. Or if you prefer an online appointment, you can scan this code, okay? Also, you can visit our website, northmetrosbdc.com. Okay. Let me just wait a little bit just for you guys to fill out the form. And if you have any other question, let me see. Awesome, Hannah. Thank you, Shayla. All right, so I would like to thank again the Alliance Business Assistance Center. Big shout out to the city of Thornton to make this possible. And of course, my organization, North Metro SBDC. And thank you guys to attend to this workshop. Okay. Awesome. All right, guys. So you guys have a great rest of the day and a great Thanksgiving. All right. Thank you.